Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Get Even More out of Windows prompt in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Right-click, New key. Type User Profile Engagement. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type SCUB system setting enabled. Value is 0. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.